It's like this?
Yeah.
This is a Queens-bound 7 local train.
We're about to shoot a skit video today, and we got a whole crew here with us. We're going to shoot it at the train, so we're going to try to wait until it kind of empties out, and hopefully we can get a lot of people to be in this video, and it'll be pretty funny. I hope you guys enjoy it, and it's going to be pretty hard to get a New York City subway train to be empty, but this is everybody right here.
Yo, wait, don't forget your bag, don't forget your bag. Yo guys, based on switch cars.
Is available to the Authority bus terminal.
They're wondering.
They're probably not getting
Yo, don't forget your
Queens-bound 7 local train.
Wait, what?
The next stop is
Central. Connection is available to the Port Authority bus terminal.
It's like this?
Yeah.
This is a Queens-bound 7 local train.
Alright, go ahead.
Yeah.
Alright, so I gotta take this thing off because it is kind of scary. So how was your experience?
It's great.
Yeah? You don't get scared?
That's everybody's first impression.
We're done, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
You seem very like
Did some pretty funny stuff.
serious.
This is a Queens-bound 7 local train.
I gotta take this off seriously because everybody's staring at me.
Grand Central, 42nd Street.
Huh?
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
So we go.
Me? Oh no, people just take pictures.
So that means you know my friends, maybe.
You know Andres Marte?
No.
So you guys coming over or what? Are you gonna pull out a night? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Suji Jar, actress and model in New York City. I'm still with it now.
Yeah, he filmed the video. What's up, son? Looking like Ricky Martin and shit. No, this is Seth Rogen's brother. This is Miguel.
Hey, how you doing?
That's mad messed up, bro. You ran away from a guy who's dressed like an Arab, man. That's mad messed up, bro. Why would you do that?
Donald Trump told me to.
What about you? You're the first one to run, son. That's mad.
And I only like black guys. That was good.
Yo, he's the greatest NBA player of all time. I'm telling you right now.
Hey, you gotta play college ball.
He's saying you're gonna be the next Seth Rogen. He's not even a basketball player.
Yo, what's cracking? It's your man, Bilal V.
Why do you sound like you're crying?
You're so passionate.
What's up, Sully? Looking mad serious and shit. Oh, there you go. There you go. This is what happens, man, when it's really cold. You just gotta get together, use body heat.
I don't need this fucking shit at all.
They're all huddling together to stay warm because it's freezing cold over here. What the hell is Radwan? Dude, this guy's crazy, bro. What the fuck? Ladies and gentlemen, Radwan just taking his shirt off. This guy is crazy.
Yeah! I don't fucking care.
Oh my god.
I'm fucking mad. I got a cold too. Yo, chill, my phone's.
Take your pants off too.
Here, you can have his back, buddy.
Lay down on the floor.
Imagine.
Stop, drop, and roll.
You want to see me strip? Nah, I'm still working on it. I'm still working on it. Yo, thanks a lot. Now God is punishing us with cold wind. Oh, what the fuck?
Yo! Talking that shit.
Yo, the wind is gonna push your clothes onto the tracks, bro.
That's why I left it on the floor. It's not gonna like push it off like that.
I don't even know if I can see myself, but right now we're waiting for the train, and let's see. It's fucking cold, man. It's really cold, man. It's cold.
Yo, that was a
this feel? Yo, if you ever want, take like a dip in like ice cold water in a bath, and once your body gets really used to it, just really quick, it feels mad good once you come out. Because it actually it
like stimulate your nerves.
yeah, it stimulates the nerves and and it loosens your veins and arteries, so you feel like the blood passing through really good.
Spit some bars, some funny bars.
We're in the cypher?
Nah. I only have hey, Ariana, you no longer thought. Psyche would have thought.
Hey!
Came. I don't know. Hey, Joe Top.